Why does disk cleanup take so much time and CPU? Just a curiosity question. Disk cleanup has been spending 100% of one of my cores for quite a while and still going. Seems to be spending a lot of time, especially on Windows Update cleanup. Can't quite understand why deleting files should be such an intensive activity, especially since it already spent quite a lot of time calculating what it could delete. Why does disk cleanup take so much time and CPU? What does it do that is so intensive?
Windows compresses the WinSCs folder by removing replaced updates and compressing files which can't be uninstalled and which are not used into diffs. This takes a lot of CPU power, and that's why you see a high CPU usage. You can analyze the CPU usage with sperf/WPA to verify this.
I can confirm that Windows Update's cleanup takes almost 100% CPU usage. It's all about WinSCs compression and reintegration of updates. I started cleanup first time after Windows install and it took 2 hours to finish 50%. From graph you can see that at first lot of reading of small files from disk, second graph, and after 100% CPU usage for compression, and so on.
One way to mitigate this problem and speed up the Windows Update cleanup phase of disk cleanup a bit is to temporarily set a higher priority for the tworker.x process for the duration of the so-called cleanup activity. In the Task Manager Details pane, find tworker.x, and right-click to show a pop-up menu. For set priority, choose above normal, or even high. For me, this increased the tworker CPU activity from averaging around 16% up to its full potential of 25% on a 4-core machine. Aside from the minuscule speed up and possibly good feeling of accomplishment this provides, there's little that can be done since apparently Windows Update cleanup is coded in a way that, for some unknown reason, proceeds file by file, making the overall work horribly disk-bound. And also, do know that the process is most probably not hung, and will indeed complete someday. To verify this, and to yet further distract yourself during this annoying wait time, you can check the disk activity section of Resource Monitor, run resman.x.
Raymond Shin of the Old New Thing posted an explanation of this, particularly with respect to the Windows Update cleanup. This URL. Basically what's going on is a deep clean to remove components that are no longer referenced. This happens on a normal maintenance schedule, but the disk cleanup bypasses the maintenance window and a self-imposed time limit. Windows Update cleanup also checks to see if the system will benefit from compression of system files. The compression algorithm used for this is designed so that decompression is fast but at the expense of using lots of CPU time to do the compression. The expensive data compression is what is taking up the CPU and contributing to the long times to clean up disk space.
If you want, support the channel, please join the